Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and this Curl Enhancing Gel by Amika will leave your curls nice and moisturized. It will define your curls, take the frizz away, but will not leave them crunchy. I love the packaging of this product. It's so cute. The gel is nice and light. It's not thick and sticky. We're raking it into some wavy hair here, and I love that it doesn't weigh it down. My hair is a lot frizzier and curlier. My hair is 75% dry at this point, and I'm just raking it through, and I love that it does help to separate the curls. It keeps the frizz away, but it doesn't weigh my hair down as my hair is thin. So this works into the hair like a thin gel, but it doesn't leave a cast or a sticky film on my hair. Another thing I love about this product is that it smells so good. If you're looking for the perfect curl gel, try this one out by Amika. I think it's super, and that's my point of view.